We are here at the IETF98 in Chicago, and with me is Alissa Cooper, the new chair of the IETF, taking over after me. How did the meeting go for you, Alissa?
I thought we had a great meeting. We had really good energy, a lot of work got done here in Chicago. A couple of the highlights for me, we've had a lot of interest in the Internet of Things lately, and at this meeting we had a new piece of work around a data definition language for the Internet of Things. Lots and lots of implementers in the room, contributing to the discussion, trying to shape the work going forward in its initial stages, so I thought that was pretty great. Also, we had a pretty important milestone in the RTC Web working group, which is the group that's standardizing a real-time protocol stack for doing voice and video communication over the web. There's been a ton of industry interest and input into that group over the years, and the working group has actually concluded its work at this meeting. The documents are going to go out for the IETF community to review, but they're very, very stable and in really great shape, so I was happy to see that.
That's great. And the WebRTC team was also at the IETF hackathon that we always have before the IETF week otherwise begins, and 100+ people in the room, and it was very active. One team in particular that I paid attention to was the TLS 1.3 team. We're working on 18 different implementations of TLS. So that I think is a great sign of how much the industry is paying attention to this particular piece of technology coming out of the IETF. Another thing that's kind of related to TLS and a few other working groups is that we're using more and more open source technology and repositories and GitHub as part of our work with the specifications and not just the softwares themselves. And so we had a great discussion of that, how the different working groups are doing that and what can we learn from them, and hopefully be able to do that also with more working groups in the future. Alissa, what's going to happen next after this meeting?
So, as usual, the IETF work will march on the mailing lists, in design teams, and working group interim meetings, and also on GitHub now that GitHub is expanding as a tool being used across lots more parts of the IETF. So work will charge on. Our next in-person meeting will be in Prague in July, so that's when we'll gather again as a group, and looking forward to all the progress in the meantime.
Great.
Now we're done.
That was really good.